It held in world supremacy. The legends left us the legacy. So we are the future, it's a prophecy. इस दुनिया में लोगों का मसीह दूर करने के लिए बेबसी बेबसी. We are the pharmacists. We are the future. Yeah, we are the future. Just don't bleed, get down deep from the age-old priest. We live old as pharmacy.